everyone, I'm Marhalisa binti Muhammad Napi.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nino Ala binti NMW.
Greetings everyone, my name is Ahmad Ibrahim bin Arshad.
Hello everyone, I am Ira Ayuni binti Muhammad Kamarudin.
We are from BA145. Operations management is the administration of business activities within an organization to achieve the highest level of efficiency possible. It is concerned with converting materials and labor efficiently into goods and services to maximize an organization's profit. Operations management entails utilizing resources from staff, materials, equipment, and technology. Operations manager acquire, develop, and deliver goods to clients based on client demands and the company's capabilities. It is also a process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to produce goods and services. It is the set of activities that create value in the form of goods and service to transforming inputs into outputs. The purpose of this study is to analyze the operations of NMW Auto Garage that operates with the aim of providing engine repair and gearbox services for all types of vehicle. Other than that, this study is to analyze the NMW Auto Garage, which is the state-of-the-art workshop with the latest automobile repair equipment, including the use of computer system to detect any damage to the electronic system car engine. There are a few of scope to examine the operations management of NMW Auto Garage. This workshop provides various services such as
I will talk about the background of the company. NMW Auto Garage was established in 2018 under the Business Registration Act 1956 and continues to operate today with the aim of providing engine repair and gearbox services of all types of vehicles that use petrol and diesel. The NMW Auto Garage is a state-of-the-art workshop with the latest automobile repair equipment, including the use of computer systems to detect any damage to the electric system car engine. In addition, the car repair workshop was known as NMW Auto Garage under the auspices of Mrs. Sri Rahayu binti Muhammad Ani, located in Kampung Enggang Field, Paseho Road 15,100 Kota Baru, Kelantan. It is comparable to modern car repair workshop in major cities such as Penang, Johor, and Kuala Lumpur. This company has 13 employees, which are 11 mechanical staff and 2 clerks that work hard to establish the company. Then, the company had purchased a variety of modern appliances, including 3 computers for special German-made lead-3 car engines for BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and others to facilitate the repair of damaged vehicles. NMW is also the only car workshop in Kota Baru that has been trusted by agents to run SsangYong Redstones for wheelchair vehicle servicing products from Korea's SsangYong Motor. It has also have been appointed as a service center for several insurance companies such as Tian Credit, My Opal, AutoGuard, and many more.
Thank you to Ayuni. Now we're going to have a look at business operating system. For your information, the business operating system consists of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. It is also include process of converting input into output in order to generate goods and services. There are 4 components in the process, which is the first one is input. Input are any resources used to create goods and services. As for NMW Auto Garage operational variables, their inputs consist of labor, equipment, and suppliers. NMW Auto Garage employ labor like mechanics, clerk, runner, and storekeeper in order to give excellent services to customers. Additionally, the second input is equipment, which includes machinery, computers, electronic devices, and other equipment. As for the machinery, NMW Auto Garage provide technologies for Malaysian, continental Europe, Japan car, scanner or diagnose, like ice gantry, carbon, and many more. As for computers, NMW provide Dell Precious M6700 hardware, electronic devices like phones, and other equipments like tools, engine cranes, MGT345 floor jack, and many more. Third one is suppliers, which to provide goods in order to create services. Next is transformation process. A transformation process encompasses all of the activity to convert one of our inputs into marketable outputs. An NMW Auto Garage transformation process begins when customer came into their company. Clerk will assist customer and write down a job card regarding to customer complaint about their car problems. The job card will be given to the mechanics. Then mechanics will diagnose the car using all of the equipment provided. After that, mechanics will report to the customer about the cause of their car problems and need to be repaired. Thus, mechanic report to clerk about broken items that need to be replaced. Clerk make a quotation to the customers. After customer agree with the quotation, storekeeper will contact the supplier searching for goods to replace the broken item. Then, runner will go to the suppliers to take the goods and storekeeper will check the goods and pass it to the mechanics. Mechanics took the new goods and used their skill to repair the car. After the car had been repaired, mechanic test the car with or without customer and diagnose it once again to make sure there is no problem anymore. When customer satisfied with their car improvement, clerk will print out the bill and customer will pay it. Now looking at output. Output are the services that actually done by mechanics and other staff resulting the car problems that are complained by customer had been solved. Therefore, feedback is information provided by customer about their experience with a product or service. At the end of the flow, customer of NMW Auto Garage will talk about how satisfied they are with their car. Customer rate the company service and management through Google. NMW Auto Garage relies on feedback regarding of the quality of service from the customer via staff.
Next, two aspects of the company operations management. First, product design. The automobile repair service offered by NMW Auto Garage is currently at the maturity stage of its product lifecycle because the needs of the market have begun to be met, and due to the emergence and rise of competitors, the company's sales rate has also decreased but is still continuing to grow. The company needs to add new features and innovation in production to remain competitive in the market. Therefore, the company has brought several computer systems that can help detect any damage to electronic car engines. Even with high competition, the company was able to gain the trust of agents and several insurance companies such as SsangYong Redstone 4-wheel drive vehicle, MyOpal, AutoGuard, and Ion Credit to carry out the service. Also, the company's cash flow is at its peak while sales and net revenue as well as the cost of production began to decline, but not for the cost of advertising expenditure. Due to budget and cost control, the company's R&D tends to focus more on service improvement. Second, process strategy. In the NMW Auto Garage service operation, we can see that a process-focused strategy occurs where process flows depend on the needs and desires of customers to get car repair services. For example, general service and greasing, engine and clutch overhaul, pre-inspection, and many more. Each customer will receive a unique process flow based on their wants and needs. The company will deal directly with the customer in the delivery of services and can help the company focus on meeting each customer's demands and requirements. Even in small quantities, the company can provide various automobile services. The majority of the equipment used in the company's operating processes is in a general category and can be used for various types of company operations, while the labor force used is highly skilled, as well as more flexible service offers. However, the company has a low level of equipment use along with high variable costs. Hence, the company also has many work orders due to work changes and demand differences that require different flow processes and also cost mix and irregular flows in the production process.
In conclusion, operations management is vital to a corporation since It is a branch of management that is responsible for creating and regulating the manufacturing process as well as rethinking corporate operations in the creation of goods and services. This entails ensuring that corporate operations are both efficient in terms of utilizing as few resources as possible and successful in terms of satisfying consumer needs. It is necessary for the overall management of a production or service system because it is the process of transforming inputs like raw material, labor, customers, and energy into outputs like goods and services for consumers. One of the most critical roles of every company is operations, which include supply chain, marketing, finance, and human resource. As we can see here, the company has a good product design strategy and effective quality management system.
There are a few recommendations that we could recommend to NMW Auto Garage that can be improved from two aspects of the company operation management, which is product design and process strategy. For aspect product design, we would like to recommend the company to define the value from the customer point of view. Automobile manufacturers frequently attempt to make a product better without fully comprehending what the mean of better to the customer. NMW Auto Garage can always add features or functions to a product by raising the price, but the extra cost may not be worth it to the customer. So someone should always serve as a customer advocate as part of the company continuous improvement program. Then, from the aspect of process strategy, NMW Auto Garage should set aside time to respond to customer feedback. The manager should schedule time for the employees to discuss how efficient their current processes are. This could be one-on-one meetings or a group meeting with representatives from various departments, but setting aside time on a regular basis will enable the company to detect problems before they have an impact on the bottom line. It enables NMW Auto Garage to establish new protocols with its employees and make a necessary adjustment. Furthermore, the employer should establish checks and balances. There is a better chance than ever to optimize each process and define each role. The company can set up all the weekly tasks and get the employees to set the due date for them to repair and service the car using systems like Basecamp. If they constantly miss deadlines, their employers have two options, which is replace the employees or work to the set deadline.